Okay guys, I know it looks bad, but just watch this. Oh, and there you go. All nice and clean, put back together, looking nice and fresh. Damn, somebody even polished the wheels. That was fast. Let's do this.
Seconds later.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What in the fuck? Oh my god. Fuck me. Yes, I lane split, but really only during the rain. There are so many fucking people that get rear-ended in accidents during the rain. I've seen it happen several times. I'm not gonna stop at a fucking red light behind a bunch of people with more coming up behind my rear to fucking hit me. I'm just not gonna fucking do it. I don't care if it's illegal. I'm being totally safe. Everybody stopped. I'm not flying in between them. It's risk versus risk. Which is the greater risk? Which is more dangerous? Me getting rear-ended is more dangerous than me lane splitting. So I'm gonna do it. And if you don't like it, you can fucking suck a cock. Thanks, Dick. Good job. Glad you got so far ahead in life. Fuckwit. Really, dude. Something happened up here. Have to take it slow. Who fucked up? Oh, you hit the Prius? The Prius is supposed to do the hitting. Ah, you fucked up, man. Woo. That sucks. Shitty way to start the day right there. Too early for that shit. F5 Cobra. Is that really what it is? Oh, that thing sounds sweet. Oh, yeah. No U-turn, you fucking cunts. Men! Oh, damn, she hit the curb!
Noob! Squirrel!
I must have called 1,000 times.
Better stay put, motherfucker. You don't die.
Sorry. Fuck. My fuck up. Fuck. You're welcome.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Give it to me now, give it to me now, give it to me now, give it to me now.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Give it to me now, give it to me now, give it to me now.
I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the floor, and I wanna you make it so good I don't wanna leave, but I gotta.
Watch this. Woo. It's like a little velociraptor. Go.